This tutorial will show you how to use the function tool in Excel. This version of Excel is 2013. So the first thing I want to do is calculate the sum of all of these points in row 2, 2C, 2D, 2E, 2F, and 2G. So I want to put the total right here where my cursor is. This is cell H2. So I want to highlight that cell. Then I'm going to go over here to the address bar, and this FX icon is insert function. When I click on that, it asks me which function do I want to perform. So I want the sum. I'm going to go to SUM down here, and I'm going to click OK. Up here in number 1, it's prompting me to calculate the sum of row 2, C, and this little colon here means through G2. So if I go back up here and I look, C2, D2, E2, F2, G2. That is the series that I want to calculate. So I don't have to do anything further because it already put in the cells that I want to calculate. If this was empty, I would go up here and highlight C2, and then I would drag my cursor all the way to G2, and you can see that it fills in C2 colon G2, and then I'm going to hit OK. And in the box H2 it will show the sum of all the boxes previous to that. So that's how to calculate the sum. And when I click on the box in H2 up here in the address bar, it shows me which formula it is. So if I change this number, it would automatically recalculate in this box. So I'm going to go back and put the original number in there. So no matter what you do with these boxes, it will always calculate the sum. Now I want to calculate the averages for the students' test scores. So I'm going to click on H4, that's the first column and row to calculate this student's name. And I'm going to click on function. And then I'm going to go down here and click on average. And I'm going to click OK. And again, it's prompting me, again, do I want to average the scores in C4 through G4? Yes, I do. So I'm going to click OK. And there is the average score. Now a shortcut would be to put my cursor onto this little box until I get this plus sign, and I can drag down, and that's a shortcut to calculate all of the averages in this row. So if we click on H6, you'll see up here that it calculated the average of cells C6 through G6. Now if I didn't do it that way, I could do it the long version, and practice is always good. I'm going to click on the box. I'm going to click on the function icon. I want to calculate the average. I click OK. Now here it's saying, do I want H4? Nope, I want to go back over here and calculate the average of C5 through G5. Then I click OK, and it figures out the average. This one was C4 through G4. This should be C5 through G5. We'll do it again. Go to the next box, hit function. We want to calculate the average. Click OK. Right now it's asking me, do I want to calculate the average of, let's see, we'll do C6 through G6, and there it is. Then we go again. This time we're going to do the average, and it will be C7 through G7. And you just keep going down. Do the function, average, okay. If this box is in the way, you can click on the blue part of the box and drag it over. I want to make sure that I'm on C8 through G8. So that is the longer version. Again, the shortcut is to drag down. And it calculates these functions. You can see when you click on them, the cells change. I hope this tutorial helps. If you have any other questions, let me know.